Good morning, children. Today I will tell you how to write a notice according to the latest format of notice writing by ICSE Council. This English language assignment is for class 9 and 10. For example, if your question is, you are the president of the students wing of the RWA of your colony. You and your team will be organizing a cultural program on the eve of India's Independence Day. Write a notice to be put up outside the RWA office informing the residents about the event. So now I am going to tell you how to apply the latest format to this question. So first of all, you have to write the creative heading. While writing the creative heading, either you can write the entire creative heading in capital letters, or you can keep the initials in capital and rest you can write in small letters. For example, I am writing, let's celebrate the spirit of unity and equality. So this is your creative heading. Then you are going to write the name of the event, that is a cultural program, and as you are told in the question that this is organized by RWA, so you can write it by RWA. So this part is called name of the event. Name of the event. And then the date when that particular event is going to take place. So this is going to take place on the eve of India's Independence Day. So this part is called the date, and you're writing each and every detail in a separate line. Date. Then you're going to write the timings. So I'm going to write from 10 AM to 12 noon. So this part is called the time. Now you are going to write the venue, and your venue should have 2 localities, as this is being organized by RWA colony. So I am writing the name of the colony. It can be any name. For example, I am writing Martha colony. This is the smaller locality. And then I am writing the bigger locality, that is SBP Homes, Greater Mohali. So this is the smaller locality, and this is the bigger locality. And now, whatever details are written in this part of the answer, you are not going to repeat any. Now, the lower part you are going to use for writing those details which you could not write in the upper part. So now I will write the target audience, that whom this notice is meant for. So I will be writing all the interested residents of the colony who wish to take part in the various events may give their names. Now you have to write the contact person, as no contact person is given in the question, so you are going to write your own name. So I am writing my name, that is Mrs. Kshama. Designation is also given, so that is the president of the students wing. So you have to give the contact person, and then you have to give the submission date, on or before 13th August 2021. And instead of writing 2021, you can write 20 and 2 crosses. And when all the details are written, you are going to place your notice in a box. So dear children, this is your final answer where we have written everything. So this part is the target audience, this is the contact person, and this is the submission date. So dear children, I am sure now you are clear with the latest format of notice writing. This is all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.